these are all some of the things that I'm sharing with you. When you have a free time, please read through. This is regarding U.S. Shipment, U.S. Regulations, basically. Okay. So when a customer wants to send some food item, and when you call the customer service will tell you, customer needs to produce an PN, an application to FDA. So please guide them. Just tell them to go into this website and apply for FDA. This is under US, yeah. Certain medication supplement or certain food needs to be applied under FDA. So they need to go through, apply on this website. Okay. So just to share with you, these are some dangerous items, dangerous goods as we call it, and hidden DG. So if you happen to have a customer sending some of these things, so you know, please call our customer service. They will guide you how to do it. Unless you do not want to handle DG item, then you just ask them to go straight to FedEx. Okay. So how would you know basically when the item is DG or non-DG? So just for awareness, have a look at the package that they are sending to you. Any stain, please reject it. Yeah. Next. Yeah, stain, touch it. Any temperature difference, cold, hot, you know. Please listen to it. If you hear some sounds inside the box, smell, because we have cases like they're sending even animals, yeah. Suddenly you see the boxes moving. It's a true scenario. So please just be careful. We're not saying that we need to be a forensic kind of person, but just listen, smell it, shake a little bit, any sound, and especially the temperature. Sometimes when it's cold, it could be DG inside. There's some ice or what. Yeah?
Okay.
Okay. I'm not sure whether some of you would like to handle a dry ice shipment. Just to share with you, this is how a dry ice shipment looks like. Yeah. I know some MBE outlet, they didn't want to handle dry ice because one is because your shop maybe it's too risky. Your shop is too space and all that. So just to share with you, this is how a DG shipment looks like.
Okay.
As I mentioned, material safety data sheet, MSDS. Certain item like liquid, cosmetic, the customs in the receiving country would like to have an MSDS. Basically, there's so many things for you to read here, right? But no need to concentrate so much of the info. I will go straight to number 14 on the right side, transport information, correct? Yeah. So this is how will you know whether an item is safe to take under IATA. IATA meaning plain lah. Yeah. So if you call our customer service, they will tell you, did the customer produce an MSDS for that item? Let's say sending cosmetic. So if you see this MSDS, the customer service will ask you, can you help me look under this? Or they will ask you to email that to our customer service. They will have a look whether it's safe to take it in. So this is how an MSDS looks like. It's basically a recipe of a product. Who will have this? Not FedEx, yeah, not you. Customer needs to go back to the manufacturer of the product and look for MSDS or request for an MSDS to provide you. This is for customs purposes as well. They want to make sure that it's safe. The item is not hazardous. Yeah? Okay, next one. A sample of the permit. Let's say a customer would like to send a blood test to Australia. So far, there's 3 countries that the customer will send it to: Australia, US, and UK. These are the famous country that they send it to. They will produce a permit, as I mentioned to you earlier. This is how a permit looks like once they have obtained it from the custom side. Just make sure number 11, the validity of this permit. Last time it was 6 months. Now I believe it's under 3 months already. So make sure it's valid, yeah, when you receive them. They will produce this, not you. You will just make sure that they give it to you when they send blood sample, DNA sample, derived from human or animal, yeah? Even plant as well. They need to produce this. Okay? A copy of batteries. FedEx do accept battery shipment. For example, I'm sending a laptop for as a gift, and of course there's battery on it, right? So if they send a laptop, you can take under FedEx, yeah. Unfortunately, under TNT, not yet. So for battery, FedEx do ship phones and all that. So reading this, looking at this table, yeah, so many things to read. Normally, right, for me, I will accept maximum 2, put it in the box. Because of this, number 9, number 10, the sticker, yeah. If we ship an item with battery, maximum 2 in a box, we don't really need to put the sticker. But for me, it's a practice, I still put sticker. This is to show to courier when they come and pick up from your outlet that there's battery inside the packaging. So it's just a habit that I put, even if it's 1. But for you, you can practice of the minimum first, which is you take an item with battery, maximum 2. No need to have a sticker as well. So these are the remarks here of what you're supposed to do. But for you, right, to be safe, instead of reading this, you just call the customer service. They will guide you. Next, Michael. This one is another type of battery under lithium. So it's the same way. Just accept it. Under FedEx shipping. Any question for battery?
No, so far okay.
Okay,
Nope.
all right. Our customer service, this is the operating hours and how you can get in touch with them. FedEx and the timing. Below is the TNT. TNT, we have a dedicated customer service number that you can call. Right? Certain holidays we do work. Just take note of the timing and the days. Unfortunately, Sunday we don't operate for our customer service.
Okay.
All right. So
Okay.
next one. Okay, this is our. Okay, before that, right?